Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and activating AirPlay on the Roku. Make sure your Mac and Roku are on the same Wi-Fi network. Different networks block discovery. On the Roku, go to Settings, open Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, then turn AirPlay on. Once done, check for any available system updates on both devices and install them. Updates fix compatibility issues. With AirPlay enabled and both devices updated, you're ready to start the screen mirror connection from the Mac. From your Mac, open the Control Center or the AirPlay icon in the menu bar and choose the Roku device that appears. You can pick Mirror built-in display to duplicate your screen or use as separate display to extend desktop. Pick what matches your task. Next, open System Settings displays to adjust scaling and arrangement, and System Settings sound to route audio to the Roku if desired. Once connected, you can full screen video or drag windows to the Roku display for bigger viewing. To finish, stop AirPlay from the Mac's Control Center or simply close the mirrored window. This ends the session cleanly. For security and to avoid accidental connections, set AirPlay to require a one-time code or PIN in Roku's AirPlay settings. If you can't connect, restart both the Mac and Roku, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi, and recheck AirPlay is enabled. Often a quick reboot or toggling AirPlay resolves discovery or audio routing problems. If needed, reapply updates and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.